My name is Angela. I am a respiratory therapist at Evergreen Hospital, and we are all things airway and lungs. We do everything from giving you a nebulizer to placing you on life support. Right now in the hospital, we are seeing an influx of COVID patients now, and where there are new therapies out there, they don't help everyone. I'm seeing Hispanic men get hit really hard, and older people, and some of the therapies again just aren't helping them. We get very much overwhelmed, especially as healthcare workers. The fear of going back in these rooms, wondering, will I get sick? Will my family get sick? Is really hard right now. I had this feeling that I was going to get sick. The only thing that I saw were my patients dying and what we heard on the news, that the only thing that I could think was, oh, I'm gonna die. At first I thought I was just sick, that it was just a common cold because, people cough in my face for a living. If someone comes into the emergency room, it's usually me that's going down to treat them, listen to their lungs. And at first I thought I was just sick, and I had gotten better. But it was about 10 days later where the symptoms really hit. And I was very fearful to go to the hospital because the only thing that I saw was death. All of my patients were just dying all around me. I went back to what I remember doing as a child, which was steaming. I ended up steaming probably 5 or 6 hours out of a day because the mucus I had was so thick. And at the same time talking to my coworkers and finding out that the intubated patient's mucus was like cement in the lung. So I knew at that point I had to do whatever I knew to basically clear my body of the mucus. I use a lot of natural remedies, all the meditation that I do. I feel like my little guardian angel was there with me to tell me that it's okay, and to remember what I was taught as a child, to remember my teachings and go back to some of the medicines and some of the ways of the past that really helped me get through this. Where I found solace was outdoors. And I've always been an outdoor person, but to bring meditation and outdoors together really changed my life. In working as a respiratory therapist or in the hospital, I think the energy within that space is very heavy, and I had to learn how to let that go. I always remember as a child swinging and how happy I'd be. So I don't think once you get grown up, you have to stop being happy or finding what brings you joy.